You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. A name of French origin. In French, for reference, it's said as Thibodeaux, Thibodeaux. This is why the TH at the beginning is just pronounced like a T. A lot of people in English do pronounce it as Thibodeaux, Thibodeaux. But ideally, you'd say the TH just like a T, not like TH. Thibodeaux, Thibodeaux from French, Thibodeaux. And now you know. Like this video, if you found it useful, I appreciate the support, it helps a lot. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.